Hi friends, in this video, we will see input-output linking with direct doors. Input-output configuration enables the system to generate a specific response as output to the given input. A change in the door state as open and close, or an event occurrence as access allowed or access denied is input to the system. The generated alarm or pulse from the devices connected at the AUX output port is the output from the system. Consider a scenario: in a hospital, a door controller is installed at the entrance of the medication room, and a red LED is connected with the device. Requirement of the management is, when a user is denied access, red LED should glow for 5 seconds. Let us see the I/O configuration and connections. Basic requirements: COSEC device with AUX ports, COSEC Vega, door PVR, door FOPv3, door FMX, and ARC series. Access control license. Red LED. System supports I/O linking features like user allowed. A user is allowed for access, and the AUX relay opens. User denied. A user is denied for access, and the AUX relay remains closed. AUX in. An input device, such as smoke detectors and motion detectors, are connected to the system as input. Duress detection. A user accesses the premises with a secret code when forced to open the door under threat, generating an alarm. Intercom panic. A switch or button on intercom is used to open all the doors in a troublesome situation. Connections for the considered scenario. We will connect the LED to the AUX output port of the device. Connect a resistor with respect to the power supply required to LED. Let us move on to the configuration now. We will complete the configuration in 2 steps: auxiliary output configuration and I/O linking. Let us start with the first step of auxiliary output configuration. Log into COSEC Web. Select Devices module, followed by Device List. Select the direct door device from the list. Go to the Input-Output section in Device Configuration. The system can sense 2 states of a door by default: NO, normally open, NC, normally closed. Any change in its normal state will lead to trigger the system for output. Auxiliary input can be configured. When an input device such as smoke detectors, motion detectors, CCTV camera, etc. is connected to sense and give input to the system. Auxiliary output can be configured. When an output device such as LED, buzzer, siren, video recorder, etc. is connected to the system for generating the desired output. In our case, the red LED is connected to the AUX output port of the device. Let us do the auxiliary output configuration. Check Enable flag. To enable the auxiliary output, the system will immediately send the signal to trigger and generate output. To generate the output, after a time period, configure output wait time in seconds. Click on the Save icon to save the configuration. This completes the first step. Now, let us move on to the second step of I/O linking. I/O linking enables to define how an event at the input port will trigger output on the door device. Go to the linking section. In our case, user denied event is an input to the system, and AUX output, that is LED, is output to the system. Click on the edit icon. Select the row to edit. Enter the desired name. Enable flag to activate this linking program. Select the output type from the pick list. There are 4 options available. Pulse. Selecting this type will activate the relay output for the given pulse time in seconds. Interlock. Selecting this type will allow the system to trigger output as long as the input signal is applied. After that, it will return to its normal state. Latch. Selecting this type will allow the system to generate continuous output until a manual reset is done from COSEC monitor. Toggle. Selecting this type will allow the relay output to reverse its state on receiving the specific input signal. We will select pulse as output type here. Set pulse time in seconds, for which LED will glow. To reset the link automatically on the next day, or after working hours ends. Reset link is activated, and reset time is configured in HHMM format. I/O linking configured to this device can be applied to all supported devices by selecting the members from the device list. Up to 255 external devices can be added for I/O linking. Click on the Save icon to save the configuration. This completes the entire configuration for I/O linking with direct doors. Now, when a user will be denied for access, the system will trigger the I/O linking. After the output wait time configured, AUX relay will switch from normally closed to normally open, and LED will glow for defined pulse time. Applications of I/O linking. Useful to the industries having smoke detectors to open all the door controllers in case of fire. Useful to the banks for duress detection in case of theft. Useful to colleges and research centers to deny access of unauthorized users at specific zones and generate alarm or record video using camera. Thank you for watching this video. For further queries and support, contact Matrix Technical Support Team.